celebrating World Indigenous Day. As everybody knows that this 9 August every year as we celebrate, and this year also we are celebrating spontaneously, happily with women, youth and all the senior leaders along with everybody, and spontaneously they came to us to celebrate the World Indigenous Day, and we are organizing. We are very happy and we are thanking to the Youth Tripura Federation YTF to organize the World Indigenous Day today from the on behalf of Korbuk Tripura Motha. We are happy that this is the first time after forming the government of ADC government, today we are by itself, ADC government, spontaneously organizing just
Tungkai bararo, bersang hani bersaro, sini do faro.